If you need some more cash for Black Friday, I'm going to be giving out $1,000 to my subscribers to help you all get some more cash for the holidays. Now, maybe you have a girlfriend where she just likes to buy a lot of shoes, you know, or you have a boyfriend that just sits on the couch and plays video games all day. Trust me, I know how that is. So I'm going to be helping you all by giving out $1,000. Now, all you have to do to enter is click on the link below and like a few pages and just follow a few Twitter. So right here, you can see that you can get some entries, and the more time you enter, the better chances you have to win. So right here, for example, all you need to do would be to sign up or subscribe to my new website, WP Friends' YouTube channel, which I'll talk more about a little bit later. And also, you can go ahead and follow WP Friends. You can go ahead and like WP Friends Facebook. You can also like my Facebook, and you can also follow me on Twitter for more chances to win. And again, I will be having 4 winners. So I realized that getting one prize is very hard, so I kind of broke it up into 4 so you have more chances of winning. So each winner will receive $250. Yes, and it will be announced on Black Friday on the 23rd. So on Black Friday, the winners will be announced, and I'm gonna go ahead and send you some money through PayPal. Now remember, you must have PayPal, all right? You don't have PayPal, I'm not writing checks, all right? So please make sure that you register with your PayPal address so I can send you the cash, and I can also verify that it's you. Now again, you might be wondering, what is WP Friends? I'm not sure about that website. That is my new social networking website that is coming out sometime in January, where basically we're gonna have a bunch of influencers like Mac, Maddie Osmond, WP Crafter, B Superfly, Ryan Gray, Freddie Corp, and Corey Ashton. All these people are going to be on the website and kind of giving you all tips and tricks and resources on a lot of WordPress related stuff. So it's going to be a very fun website. It's going to be like Facebook, except more geared for WordPress. Because let's be honest, you know, I don't like Facebook anymore. When you go on Facebook, it's like negative, positive, negative. It's like, dude, I'm not using that toxic site. But out there, people still use it, so, you know, I totally get it. So again, those are ways you can enter. I hope you all win. You know, good luck. If you win, I will send you the money, $250 per winner, and you can use that to buy whatever you want. You know, you can go ahead and buy some new themes, you can buy some new plugins, and I will also be having a video, maybe in about a week, to basically talk about some new Black Friday deals that people are having. I'm kind of getting them slowly. You know, companies are sending me slowly here and there, but I'm gonna kind of wait till I have a lot of them so I can kind of show them all at the same time. So again, good luck, and hopefully you win. And my name is Darrel Wilson, and I will see you all in the next video. Good luck.